A, what comes with A? Up comes with apple, so juicy and sweet. A,
What comes with B? B comes with ball, bounce it on your feet.
C,
What comes with C? C comes with cat, so cuddly and neat.
A, B, C, what do we see? Letters and words, learning is the key.
D, what comes with D? D comes with dog, barking with glee. E, what comes with E? E comes with elephant, big as can be.
A, B, C, D, E, E, singing the alphabet so happily.
F, what comes with F? F comes with fish swimming in the sea. G, what comes with G? G comes with grapes, a bunch for you and me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Learning is fun, just sing with me. H, what comes with H? H comes with hat, wear it in the sun. L, what comes with I? I comes with ice cream melting, yum yum.
A to I, let's keep going. The alphabet
Train just keeps on rolling. J, what comes with J? J comes with jelly, wobbly and bright. K, what comes with K? K comes with kite, flying high in the sky.
A to K,
Let's all say the alphabet is fun to play. L, what comes with L? L comes with lion, roaring so loud. M, what comes with M? M comes with moon, hiding in the clouds. A to M, sing along. The alphabet is a happy song. N, what comes with N? N comes with nest, where birds love to rest. L, what comes with O? O comes with owl, awake when others rest. A to O, here we go, learning letters that we know. P, what comes with P? P comes with panda, chewing bamboo. What comes with Q? Q comes with quail, quietly saying coo. R, what comes with R? R comes with rainbow colors, bright and far. S, what comes with S? S comes with stars, shining where you are. T, what comes with T? T comes with tiger stripes, you'll see. U, what comes with you? U comes with umbrella, keeping you dry as can be. And to you, what of you? The alphabet is cool for me and you. P, what comes with V? V comes with violin, playing a tune.